Hey, what's up YouTubers? I'd like to introduce you guys to my new toy. I've been wanting to get a SUV for the family, so when my car got into an accident and got deemed total loss, I got my payout and I bought this SUV, R51 Pathfinder. It's actually 2008 Nissan Pathfinder R51. So this is what it looks like now. Show you guys what it looks like in the front and to the back, right over here. It's not a perfect car, you know what I mean, but like the rear tires are in fairly okay shape, but I will be needing some soon. The front tires, however, is really brand new. Alright, what's going on with my gimbal? Where are you going? So there you go, there you are. Alright, so this is the overall look of the car. I got it used. I got it from a private seller from Facebook Marketplace. So I'm just going around and gonna show you guys what it looks like. And like I said, it's not perfect. There is a thing right here and a crack, and eventually I'm going to have to replace this, and hopefully I'll have some money to buy some off-road bumpers, right? Alright, so it's a new used car, zero mods, and hoping to get it rigged up, ready for off-road. Maybe raise it 2-inch, you know, put some leveler, right? So 2-inch in the front, 2-inch in the back, and hopefully some bumpers front and rear. But you know, since I just got this new use, it basically needs some work, because you know, used car, you don't get it like it's brand new and doesn't need anything else, right? But if you're getting a used car, it definitely needs some work. So I'm gonna get into that. I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna prioritize this work first before I start modding this and turning it into a rig, off-road rig. Alright, so by all means, I'm gonna show you guys what the engine look like, what's under the hood. It's a 4.0 liter V6. Alright, let's get to it. And I'm gonna show you guys the interior side of things. Alright, there you go, guys. So that's the interior. It's pretty immaculate. Okay, what's going on with my gimbal? It's going around. And this is what it looks like in here. So the carpet looks like, you know, it's been off-road, because I bought this car from a couple that, you know, likes to go off the grid, doing some adventures and stuff like that. So, you know, there's a little bit of rust there. I mean, you know, it's more than 10 years old truck, so what do you expect, right? Okay, but anyway, I want to show you guys what's under the hood, and we'll take a look at what's inside. Okay, so there it is, the V6 4.0 liter engine. And you know, this car is known for transmission failing because of the coolant getting mixed up in the transmission fluid. So that's basically the first thing that I'm gonna do, is to bypass the line that goes into the radiator so it doesn't get mixed up. And it's not gonna be causing headache for me, you know, in the long run. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so this is what the engine looks like. Alright, it's fairly clean. Looks like it's just been washed up or cleaned up, or engine bay wash. You know, it's all good. But yeah, here, this is just a short introduction of what's going to be in this channel. It's basically going to be all about this SUV right here, starting from, you know, 0 to 100. Okay, so I'm gonna start modding this, turning it into an Autobot, because that's what I call this, R51 Autobot, off-road rig. Alright, hope you guys follow me, like, subscribe, comment, and hopefully you guys can follow how this SUV is going to grow in the future. I have big plans for it. Big, not so big, you know, but yeah, I'll eventually change some wheels, nice tires, and I'll be adding some stuff, accessory stuff, to make it look nice and stuff like that. All right, follow, like, and subscribe.